Tonight, there's clear signs Jack Smith's team has been working round the clock. The special counsel has been doing this coup probe, looking more at the false electors, and there's new subpoenas going to the top elections official in Arizona, seeking evidence and information about Trump lawsuits and the state party chair, and all of this talk about errors or fraud in the 2020 election. Arizona was that key state. Trump tried to steal it after he lost the state. Fox News also had that whole tussle over being the first to call it for Biden. It was a close outcome, but the question here that the DOJ is looking at is whether any of these actions, shenanigans, or paperwork amounted to crimes trying to steal the election. And there also are signs we're going to get even more information about the search for those documents overseen by Jack Smith at Mar-a-Lago. A Florida judge has ordered an unredacted part of the underlying affidavit to be released. Now, this is in response to a media request that was first filed over a year ago. Some of this stuff takes time, and as you may have heard us say, journalists tend to want to get all the information we can. In fact, the DOJ sometimes doesn't want to share the underlying stuff. They make a lot of arguments about security, secrecy, fairness, and some of those are valid. But here we're seeing basically the judge say, no, you got to give us more. Trump also is facing what is scheduled for a December trial that could carry prison time if convicted. And a former Trump press secretary is basically a witness who just told MSNBC about something Trump did. This is witness testimony, basically, that could have been illegal.
Is it plausible Trump was showing classified documents to people in private meetings?
The short answer is yes. I watched him show documents to people at Mar-a-Lago on the dining room patio. So he has no respect for classified information, never did.
No respect and never did. Again, this goes to both the mental state, the pattern, and the high bar that the DOJ still has to pass if they're going to prove in court that this was a criminal set of acts. Meanwhile, there's a convicted seditionist, Stuart Rhodes. He got 18 years, and he's telling Trump, if you take your case to trial, you're going to be found guilty.